5 laps to go.
6 road course races next year will force all of these drivers to change their preparation and how they get ready for these road courses. You know, there was a time in the sport where
Looking at Truex trying to take over Ryan Blaney for the 5th spot.
You know, every race paid the same amount of points, but now that you have
Oh, there he goes to the inside.
within the playoffs, and every race matters more than
Whoa! Hang on to her, Blaney. Hang on to her.
You know, every race matters more than it ever has. You have to be good at it. And now there's 6 of them. So you have to put effort into it. And I think we talked about it several times. I think that favors some younger drivers also that will have a chance to build some.
And Kyle Busch running 6th, but I don't think that's gonna, or 7th, but I don't think it's gonna be enough, as he's about to miss the playoffs.
2022, but going to run a few races next year. Briscoe, been a good road racer. Does that schedule make it easier for them to get rides?
You know, Jeff, I'll go one further. I have not heard any of these rumors or conversations, but if I'm a team owner, do I look back at someone like AJ Allmendinger, who won the Xfinity race yesterday?
Meanwhile, coming back around, coming to the front stretch chicane, Chase Elliott will be getting the 4 to go signal this time. 2.3 miles this track is. Stand by, 4 laps to go.
I think you can go in, you think we could win here. Sure. 6 races, I would even add the speedways. So now that's 10 of the 36 races that AJ Allmendinger has to be considered a threat to win. Well, we're talking a lot about road courses and what's going to happen in the future, but right now, the best on-road courses is out front and really schooling the field. 2.2 seconds back to Joey Logano, who's second.
Yeah, Chase Elliott just snapped Chevrolets on cruise control up turn 6 here. Right there, tight on the curve. Down.
Just run your race, Chase. Just run your race. You got
Way
this.
past to the lead. Eric Jones gets the drive off low onto the oval here.
You got a good enough gap back to Joey Logano.
So keep this in mind.
Just want to see no caution. That's all I ask for. No caution.
About 3.5, 4 tenths a lap better than is supposed to competition. So Chase Elliott is just playing simple fashion than the rest of the field, doing a great job again here.
Jeff, you talked about how the lead has changed in the last 6 laps here at the Roval both times because of late race chaos and late race restarts.
Well, what happened?
This is practice. Last you hit the back stretch chicane. He's going to hit.
Whoa! Really hopped the curbs, Keselowski did.
Correct. Sideways.
Slideways there.
Everybody got through there without a problem, and I think that's the bigger fear for Chase Elliott.
He really hopped the curbs there.
Race car with 3 laps to go. I'm pretty confident he can keep it between the lines, but can everyone else as the laps count down?
Yeah, right behind Alex Bowman, there's a bunch of cars. Alex kind of struggling to keep pace. He's holding up a lot of cars.
Did you just say Alex Bowman is holding up a lot of cars? I couldn't hear him too well.
Ready? Boyer trying to climb through the field.
Oh yeah, Bowman. What's going on with him? He was at the front. What happened to him?
At this racetrack.
Yeah, Boyer's trying to crank the top 10 here, sitting in 12th right now. He sees those positions in front of him. He gets a few more spots. And he's frustrated, right? He was frustrated. He had a real shot to win this race. Yeah, but a bit of bad
Now
shape.
looking at Boyer underneath Tyler Reddick. And it looks as though he's got the spot, but I don't think it's going to be enough for him to advance into the round of 8. Unless the caution comes out, that could turn things on its roof.
Well, we do know he's not going to be racing next year, and if he were to win this race, he'd advance.
That's right. Glenn will not be returning to NASCAR, as he will be joining the Fox Sports booth next year. Meanwhile, 2 laps to go for Chase Elliott for the road course master, and Kyle Busch is on pit road. And that's it for Kyle Busch. That is it. Newman? Oh, a lot of smoke. Wow. They keep going. Whoa! Greg Gaulding got into him.
with him and great galling as he was trying to get by.
Look out.
Backwards over turn one, he's going to get turned around again. And Newman just turned down.
Oh my gosh, Greg Gaulding, what are you doing?
He's had a lot of problems on the racetrack.
And Newman keeps going again.
Dave on penalties and issues. Frustrating day when things like that just keep piling on. Guys, we talked about Chase Elliott and what this win is going to do for momentum. One thing we haven't talked about is the 5 playoff points. That's going to fill his bucket.
A lot of momentum for the... Oh! Trouble on the backstretch chicane, Truex! Keep going. Just make it back to the white. They're really trying to cause a caution. Just make it back to the white. Yep, white flag, 1 lap to go, sponsored by Credit One Bank for Chase Elliott. You got this, bud. Oh. You're way too deep there.
There won't be a restart. The white flag was taken by Chase Elliott.
Is the gap really 42 seconds? Oh, okay. It's back to 15 seconds. Or 2 seconds. Gosh, what is with the leaderboard? Just run your race, Chase. You've got a good enough gap.
And that now is the goal for everyone. Everyone that's in the top 8 in points now.
Onto the speedway portion for the final time. You got this, Chase.
What do they do in the next 3 races? They've got Kansas, Texas, Martinsville.
Now the backstretch chicane.
Trying to get to Phoenix. Momentum is also a very big thing in racing. And when you come off of something like what we're seeing Chase Elliott do.
Now to the speedway portion, turns 3 and 4 for the final time.
As far as momentum on his side.
The front stretch chicane is all you got, Chase. Just bring it home, bud. Bring it home. Yes, sir. Through the final stretch chicane, Chase Elliott's got it. Let's go, bud. Let's go, buddy. Way to go, Chase.
Great job, bud. Great job. Awesome job. Appreciate it. Great job, guys.
Road course master right there. Gets it done again.
Percentage is 42%.
Oh my gosh.
That is an unheard of number. And Chase Elliott
We never panic.
Car wrecking. Oh! What was that?
A lot of damage to the 51 of Malicki.
Josh Bilicki. A lot of damage.
Speed in the bank there, back the car around into the left side, driver's side into the wall.
I think the other big story that comes from what just happened here, the finish, the defending series champion, Kyle Busch, is eliminated.
It's still 2020 KFB. He got eliminated. It's still 2020 KFB. Oh.
Explodes the right rear tire in the middle of the wall.
So the celebration will begin for Chase Elliott. I mentioned Kyle Busch. And now his focus, which he said his focus this whole year has been on just getting to victory lane. But that is going to take over his entire focus. Getting a win in 2020. Keeping a streak alive that has gone for 15 years. Every year he has been in the Cup Series, he has
It's
won
still
a race.
2020 KFB. It's still 2020.
2020.
Way to go, buddy. Chase Elliott, winner at the Roval. Now on to Kansas.
Coming in, playoff standings.
Oh man, it's still 2020. Nothing's changed.